Shit that's going on right now, boy. I swear to God, y'all won't believe this shit.
Do your thing, P.
I sent that shit to the slam. I sent that shit to the bros. Who I'm told. VVS is not gonna fly with my Cuban logo. I ain't exercising, but all my.
Hey, no, on some real shit, we right back. Tell them niggas you right back.
I'm right back. I'm right back.
They take other name cause he don't eat all of how
Alright, so we just got the stars, man. Just got it for tomorrow. We on the way home now. We just picked up the stars, so that leaves the rest of the day doing anything. We got everything out the way, so I don't need nothing for the rest of the week. We got the glue. We already got Black Suede headliner at the shop, so we straight. You know what's so crazy, y'all? You just looking like this, bro. You can't even. It's a whole car under the truck. That just shows y'all how big the truck is. But nah, I'm at Starbucks right now. Yeah, man, I use Starbucks. I was gonna try something, but they didn't have what I wanted, so I just got the regular. Thank you. Y'all be drinking Starbucks, bro? If y'all drink Starbucks, bro, what do y'all get from Starbucks? I got a double chocolate chip. I don't even drink this often, but this is what I be getting. It be bust. But we got to go have fun today. It's New Year's Eve, man. It's time to go turn up, bro. 2023, we bringing in the new year, man. 2023 gonna be a big year for me and C2B detailing for everybody. We gonna have the best deals, best everything, but y'all already know that. Y'all already know, I don't even gotta tell y'all. So, we just ready for 2023. We finna bring in that new year today, man. But right now, I'm finna go home. Finna go home, finna go wash the truck. Feel me? Ooh, where the drill? I'll put this. I need this. Let me take this off. Alright, so we at the crib now. I'm finna go ahead and wash the truck. I don't know what we doing tonight though, but I'm finna get this all washed up and clean in case we do something. But if I do something, we gonna vlog it for sure. Alright, y'all. I don't know if it's windy, but I finished washing the truck. Just show y'all that boy. Too clean. Finally got it washed up for tonight. Pop's over here working on the truck. He added 3 alternators to the truck. I'm gonna show y'all right now. Which ones you add? It was this one.
This one.
This one. You had 2?
Yeah.
Y'all see it. Alternator work. If y'all got any audio, anything that you need more power, Pops will get you right. How long you had it?
Yesterday.
Yesterday? Mm-hmm. Okay. Y'all see. 2 alternators. You added the bracket too, huh?
Yeah.
New bracket, new everything on the GMC. That's quality work, man. So if y'all need anything, any alternators done, any work, y'all hit me up. C2B detailing on IG. We gonna get you right. We gonna get that work in, man. This is how we looking for tonight. New Year's Eve, man. We gonna find something to do. Once we find something to do, I'm finna pick it up. I'm finna go take a shower. Do the rest of my laundry, get ready. And probably we finna see what we get into tonight, so y'all just stay tuned. Chill, man.
Oh, yeah. I'm good.
Turn off that light. Turn off these lights. Oh yeah, that's what I need. And it's not that blue white like Oracle's lights. That's the white, true white. Man, what's up, YouTube, man? We back, man. It is 8:22 right now. I know I ain't update y'all in a minute, but man, We just getting out the house. It's New Year's Eve. It's time to go turn up. Man, I was gonna tell y'all to say what's up to Vert, bro, but Vert, he just wanna talk, bro. So go ahead. You lagging, bro. But you see him, man. Vert finna be in the video soon, man. So y'all just stay tuned. Stay tuned, cause we got hella content coming to y'all 2023, man. Y'all don't want to miss out. So if you don't want to miss out, go ahead and turn the post notifications on and hit the subscribe button. If you don't hit that subscribe button, man, I can't even lie. I can't even consider you See the B family. Like, even though you watching the video, if you don't hit the subscribe button, you is not See the B family. See the B family, we love y'all, man. We finna get lit, so y'all stay tuned, bro.
Yeah, talk that shit. Talk that shit, boy. You left 2 of the marks. You left 2 marks. 2 marks. 2 marks. Talk that shit. Okay. Talk that shit. Hey, no, we outside, bro.
That shit was loud.
Hell yeah.
Fuck.
Hey, no, it's New Year's Eve, bro. And we outside.
We outside, man.
Hey, no, fool.
Hey, nah, for real, bro. On the real tip, if it's New Year's where you at right now, man, go turn up, bro.
Go turn up, bro.
I'm changing my name to Little Fucking Baby, nigga. That's how I feel.
Hey, we not done turning up yet, so y'all stay tuned on
All
CWP,
2023, bro. All 2023.
Hold on.
It's fucking
Hey, I got the MCM slides. I'm finna get out the drip to get back in the drip.
Okay, get out the drip to get back in the drip.
Hold on.
Get out the drip to get in the drip.
Oh, shit. Oh, goddamn.
How much is that on your feet, boss?
That's too much.
I don't even know.
That's too much to say.
I ain't even know. We not even gonna count.
We dropped the Vaseline, though. I ain't gonna cap. We dropped.
Right, boss. Boss lit, bro.
Oh, boss lit.
I almost forgot the Vaseline.
Can't forget the
I told you
Vaseline.
pick that up when you dropped it, mom.
But this nigga C-Fan, bro. The night just started. Look at it, he hurt. That nigga hurt his knee. Bro, the night just started, bro. You can't
2020.
started, bro. This is a whole summer how 2023 finna be, bro.
Another shot.
We finna be so fucking turned, bro. This nigga took 2 shots already. I need to come up. I need to catch up. I'm gonna get back with y'all, bro. Fuck you niggas.
Turn on this big ass camera. Hey, put that wig up. He finna get big on a nigga. Put it down, down, scream, no belong. Hey,
Shake that ass you want slow. Shake that ass you want to. AC. Whoop this bitch to the stove.
What's up, man? It's 2023.
Oh fuck.
Oh damn! Oh damn!
I did a burnout, bro.
Is it a section?
I did a burnout in front of your crib, bro.
Hey boy!
Look at my. Do your thing, P.
Oh, that's actually hard.
What you gotta say to the camera, bro? This the New Year's Eve vlog. What y'all
New
gotta say,
Year's.
bro?
We was late in 2022. Imagine fucking 2023. This
She
nigga,
talking about Imagine Toys.
this nigga got 2 shops.
2 shops.
This nigga done nowhere but y'all.
Youngest niggas turned, bro. Youngest niggas turned, bro. That's all I gotta
Youngest
say,
niggas
bro.
turned,
We
man.
really turned, bro. We mentally 10 years ahead, bro.
Roll that dope up. Roll that dope up. Roll that dope up.
You be in, so you be out all the time. Girls never let a nigga they gon' slept with. In awesome. Rich nigga running on the Austin. And I also blowing cool, and I got on choo-choo. She said, let me feel good, she like what I do. Like the teaser, I can tell that you're not really from this region. Crash the party. Crash the crowd.
Shit that's going on right now, boy. I swear to God, y'all won't believe this shit. Y'all will not believe it.
We're not going! But I ain't gonna lie, bro. I think my transmission just went out. Like, I think it just went out. Y'all hear this? It's spinning, but it's not moving. Like, y'all feel me? It's spinning, but it ain't moving. Alright. Nah. It's not the transmission, it's the rear axles, bro. Oh, okay. I'm gonna put this bitch in 4-wheel drive.
Hey, no, on some real shit, we right back. Tell them niggas you right back.
I'm right back. I'm right
back, bro.
I'm right back.
On some shit.
But I ain't gonna lie, it only 4-wheel drive where like I can make it home, but like
That's you, Mr. Get Back.
all right, bro. So what y'all think? Like what? Hey, what you think finna happen?
You throwing me off,
Hey,
bro.
no, what I think finna happen?
What's wrong with your shirt? What's wrong with your?
Hey, what I think finna happen is scat packs.
I'm
We
facing.
finna have scat packs all through
Scat
this
pack,
bitch.
scat pack.
I'm facing.
What y'all think? Like I don't even know what to do. Like it only driving 4-wheel drive.
I don't know what to do for you
All you
either,
gotta
bro.
do is get the fuck home.
What's wrong with your mans, bro? Like, bro, this is bro. I'm finna come to Oklahoma with you, bro.
I just got you a hit, nigga. He want 550 in this shit.
Hey,
bro.
So C just fucking wrecked the truck, bro. Oh. What's up, boss? Bro, just wait, bro. What you?
Yeah,
Bro, stop, bro. You trying to work on your shit up here?
You 2 shots, nigga. You 2 shots.
Hey, bro, get out the whip, bro. Get out the whip. Like, come on, bro. Hello? Hey, bro, I have alright, y'all, so I just got off the phone with my mechanic, right? My mechanic, Evan, at C2B Automotive, right? It's looking like I popped my rear differential.
Burn out.
Doing a burnout, bro.
Alright, so everybody,
Cause all I want is the
night,
fucking
bro.
cheese. I'm a rat, cause all I want is the motherfucking cheese.
So-
The only nigga that was playing around was the nigga in the fucking driver's seat.
my guy.
oh,
If I had the
hell no.
keys, we would have been to
Oh,
this
hell
bitch
no.
and back.
Oh, hell no.
Facts.
Bro.
Facts, nigga. We would have been to this bitch back.
Public.
Oh my god, we don't got no car to go to the shop, bro. We're fried.
We got that Range Rover.
We got the Range Rover, but god. Who's screaming?
Voices I'm hearing.
Bro. Oh, don't even tell him, bro. Don't even tell him.
Oh shit.
Don't even tell him.
Go home. Fuck are y'all doing? Go home. Y'all ain't got no niggas. Y'all ain't got no niggas. Go home. Y'all ain't got no mouth. Go home. Love y'all. Stay safe.
This nigga looks zesty. Get your zesty ass old
Bro, 12 right there. You rolling a blunt. What the fuck is?
Alright, bro. We driving in 4-wheel drive, bro.
We still love you, shit.
Bro, so I popped my rear differential. About 2-3 bands in repairs, but I think we're gonna see the beat of this mug. We gonna see the beat of this mug.
Definitely gonna have to.
We gonna have to see the beat of this mug, cause ain't no other shop other than C2B getting 2-3 bands out of me. You feel me? But nah.
Oh goddamn!
Oh.
What the fuck was that?
Oh, okay. This.
Nah, you figuring it out.
Oh nah, this bit. Oh nah.
You cruising
You gotta
13 to the
cruise.
crib?
So basically, this is what happens when you try and have fun in a lifted Ram. Well,
what I'm
in a
saying,
lifted
right?
truck with big old tires,
You
but
gotta get you something that go fast, bro.
that go fast.
That's designed to go fast.
Time to do that shit.
Do that shit.
Oh.
This designed to pull heavy loads.
Okay. All right, bro. It's only 9 o'clock on the New Year, so we are not starting the New Year's off well. But we did have 1,800 followers. 1,800 is crazy.
Hey, bro, can we get that on YouTube though? Like real talk, bro. Let's get them 1800s on YouTube, bro.
1,800. I
Oh,
feel
yeah,
that.
yeah.
I feel that. I feel
Bro,
that.
y'all
We need 1,700 subscribers.
Come on, bro.
My truck tweaking, so I'm gonna let them go first.
Who?
Them.
Bruh.
But don't they got a stop sign?
Yes.
And they
they're
turning,
turning.
bro. Let's go.
Hold on.
This nigga is.
Hey, flash your light so they know.
And y'all just watching, y'all laughing like that's not funny, bro.
Man, I tried to push this big motherfucker. Fucking no. Pull up to your bitch. Oh yeah, I'm at the corner store.
It's good.
Oh,
You already know I'm from the fuck hood.
Oh, good from the hood, man. You already know you ain't even gotta say the shit. Pull up with the spinning clip. And that bitch at your mama shit. Fuck it. Already know, yeah, I got a fucking nugget in my pocket.
Fucking pocket. Fucking off the fucking rocket launcher. And I put that bitch on your fucking noggin. And I put that bitch on your fucking mom. Play with me, I'm pulling up with the stick. Play with me, I'm pulling up with your bitch. Oh, shit.
Hold on with your bitch. Pull up with your bitch, I got dick slaying. Pull up to your bitch, I got your bitch praying. Hell yeah, pray for me, cause I'm out here in these streets, already know. I'm trying to get to the pay. I'm trying to get to this shit today. I'm trying to get to this money. I'm P, nigga. You niggas crazy.
You niggas crazy. Goddamn nigga, no, I'm not lazy.
Skilla crazy.
Oh, bro, Skilla beat. Skilla type beat, bro. That was a different type of mode.
Like they never seen that before.
Yeah, that's a mode.
I never touched that fucking mode in my life.
That was crazy.
That's what it's for though. It's for them.
It's for that chicken.
It's for y'all right there. Fuck it. Y'all gonna see it.
Y'all better pay us.
But y'all ain't gonna see it.
Subscribe. Cut the pay us out. I'm talking shit. I'm talking
on
shit.
some real though.
Subscribe, bro.
Let me
Like
see.
for real.
It's 10:08 right now. It's finna be New Year's in about an hour.
I'm finna be
And
20.
like 50.
Finna be 20 years old, bro.
Hour 50 minutes.
Bro. Son finna be 1.
Damn, bro. I'm finna be 21
That's
March.
30. That's 30.
I turned 20 in
Turn
January.
20 in January. January what?
30th.
Your birthday is not January.
How you gonna
Your
tell
birthday in
me?
November, bro.
Who, him?
No, you.
Me? The hell
Your
no.
shit in November. My shirt.
Bro, my truck.
You made me fuck my shirt
Bro,
up.
how you mess
I
your
blame
shirt up?
this on you.
How you mess your shirt up?
And I'm an accountable young man.
me
But
see
I
your
blame this shit on you, bro.
What you do? Let me see your shirt, bro.
Drop the dough.
Bro, your shirt is ripped. How it ripped though? How it ripped for real?
You, bitch.
Bro, what did I do?
We putting this in.
Yeah, what,
'Cause they
what
gonna
did I
pay.
do? Nah, we
Y'all
putting
gonna
this
pay
in.
to see these nipples.
Bro. Pause. But what?
Y'all pay to see
How did it rip, bro?
Ruby Rose nipples. What's up, Ruby?
Gotta go to D house.
We gotta eat and get drunk. That's
We
a
gotta
good
go to
plan.
D house.
Eat and get
D
drunk.
house?
I said I wasn't coming to D house, bro.
Why?
Bro, I need eats though. What we gonna eat at the mo?
Put my pride aside and go get me some motherfucking food.
From where? Nothing's open.
You have a shirt?
Shit, something always open.
Somebody has a shirt?
Huh?
Somebody got a shirt?
Nah.
Yeah, bro, I'm going free eats.
Big J.
Hey, you towing this up?
Huh?
Who you
Gonna
gonna tow?
drive it.
You gonna
I'll
drive
pull up and tow this bitch for you tomorrow.
Jay finna follow me.
Ooh.
I'll pull up and tow this bitch for you tomorrow.
Huh?
And we can take this bitch back to the shop. Big block.
Ooh.
Big block. Let me see. Let me
You know what
no,
you
wait,
finna
wait.
tow this with?
Oh, bro.
What you finna tow this
Let
with?
me-
Tow it. Bro, you know what he gonna tow this with, G? Come on, nigga.
My pop
Act
shit
like you
probably
know
in the
something.
shop. But we probably got another one for your last though.
If it's the case.
Let me look at the dimensions.
This shit in the shop.
This shit tight. I ain't gonna lie.
Man, you can push this
This
on, bro.
shit
Your
tight.
big
That,
nugget.
look, that shit turn. That turn right there. That turn tight right there.
Bro, you can. Bro, ain't nobody gonna be right there anymore.
Shit.
Bro, I'm.
Alright, y'all, so we finna go to D house. I went there for Christmas Eve, but y'all ain't see that vlog. We finna go to D house. But we finna leave the truck here, man. Bug driver, bro. I don't even drive backseat. Backseat driver.
You the cameraman right now. Record.
My bad.
Boy.
My bad. We not
Bitch
recording
made
this though.
boy.
What?
Boy.
What?
Oh, stop, bro.
Bro, what
Stop.
you mean?
Right
Stop,
here,
stop,
bro.
stop, stop,
I can't
stop.
go.
Wait for the light, bro. Wait for the light.
Look at that. I ain't trying to.
You know what to do here? Whoa, 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 whoa.
Bro, speak up then, motherfucker. Damn. You niggas on some lame shit right now, bro.
We on the small camera now.
Who?
What?
I got a million for to eat.
I had the chips, bro.
So what you trying to eat?
I had the Lays. I'm straight.
Oh,
Oh, hell no, nigga. What's wrong with you, bro?
Ain't nobody
What you
had no
on,
ladies,
bro?
nigga.
What you trying to do, fool?
Bro, back
You
up,
behind
bro.
the camera, bro. I ain't talking to them, bro.
Oh.
Alright, bro, can we get east, bro?
Hey, this easier to handle now that I've been on that big bitch, though. I flex this shit, bro. Like I'm that nigga on this bitch. Bro, I body bit.
New Year's vlog.
Bro,
How y'all feeling? New Year's vlog.
I'm lit in a bit. So bit. I need to retweet. I got that shit. Shout out Marty Department, bitch. That shit on.
Alright, y'all. So we finna walk in now. We back. We still on the same camera. New Year's vlog, bro. Look at the G-Wag. G-Wag. Ooh, this mug hard. It was hard. Y'all know where we at. I'm finna vlog once we get our food and stuff. We just finna say what's up to everybody. Y'all feel me? Look at this, bro. Look, Ben's park any way they want. Any way they want. Alright, y'all. We got our food, bro. Bus. We finna bust down right quick, y'all. We on a quick tip. No doubt. Food, bus. I can well, I got some more chicken. Seconds. But they playing a whole lot of copyright. But we're chilling here for right now. We're gonna hit another spot after this. Y'all finna stay tuned. Keep tapping in. We on the other camera, so y'all let me know what the difference is if y'all like it or not. Jay, stay eating. What you got? Chips and salsa? They got a 360 camera over there. I think we finna go get on it. I got some banana pudding, bro. It better be good, bro. I ain't lying. What you got?
I got some. I don't know.
Bro, you got some more food, bro. Get a dessert.
Oh, you dessert, bro.
Bro, I should have brought the big camera in. Alright, bro, I'm from the bus.
Rolling the windows up on us. Y'all just gonna lock me out the house.
that.
In the car, can y'all come in the house?
Y'all finna go to Waffle?
Alright, bro, the truck is down, man. I gotta leave the truck here, but I'm finna go home. The truck not driving. I'm gonna deal with it tomorrow. We out. Thank y'all for watching this vlog. If y'all haven't already, like, comment, subscribe.
Like, comment, and subscribe, y'all.
You get to watch, it's perfect timing. I can see clear, clarity diamonds. Ice on the crew, everybody shining. Can't nobody stop me from grinding.